Fuse is a small piece of metallic wire. Which property of fused wire is most critical to its function? इसका सही जवाब है लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ए. 2 नंबर. When vegetable oil or animal fats are treated with the sodium hydroxide, soap is formed. बस मैं सरसरी पढ़ता हूँ क्योंकि टाइम ज़्यादा लगेगा फिर. इसका सही जवाब बी वाला है. dissolve in sodium chloride solution and settle at bottom. Question number 3. During prophase, the centrosome divides into two hollows. Which one of the following structure is formed around each half of the centrosome? इसमें सही जवाब डी वाला है, astral rays. Question number 4. In water treatment plant, the second step in irrigation, the purpose of irrigation in water treatment is to, इसमें सही जवाब ए वाला है, removal dissolve iron and manganese. Question number 5. Glass is a amorphous solid material. The purpose of adding minor additives to the glass mixture during manufacturing is which one of the following? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर सी है, to add tint color. Question number 6. The uncontrolled nuclear reaction are dangerous to living beings because of which one of the following? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर बी है. They emit carcinogenic and deformative radiations. Question number 7. Which one of the following material is normally not used for making permanent magnet? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर सी, copper. There are several methods to magnetize magnet material such as single touch or double touch method. The key feature of double touch method is which the following method? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर सी है. Opposite pole of two magnet rub in the same direction. Question number 9. An acid is substance that gives hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. The origin of word acid is from Latin word. B option is the correct. A force is push or pull. Which of two needed to fully describe a force? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर ए, strength and direction. Question number 11. At what height do the global position system satellite orbit the earth? इसका सही जवाब 20,200, ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Question number 12. Which one of the following is the function of the bubble tube aligned at 45 degree centigrade angle in the spirit level? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर डी, checking inclined surface. Question number 13. How do living things in the ecosystem relate to each other? इसका जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर बी, they affect each other lives. Question number 14. With whom did the British confront in the third battle of Panipat? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर बी है, Marathas. Question number 20. Which of the following is not considered a stage in Jean Piaget theory of cognitive development? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर डी है, emotional intelligence stage. Question number 21. What term means a collection of individuals who have come together to form unified whole? इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर सी है, organization. 22. Which type of objective serves as a translation of goal into more specific direction for action? सही जो ऑप्शन नंबर बी है, tactical objectives. Question number 23. Which type of education is associated with the recent international educational movement, the aim to improve people's lives by addressing their social and economic needs? इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, non formal education. Question number 24. Who is credited with the introducing the concept of learning by observation? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर डी है, अल्बर्ट बंडोरा. Question number 25. When a child uses cues seeing other behavior, it is the example of which type of imitation? इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर डी है, value motivation imitation. Question number 26. What type of reinforcement typically occurs when an organism that has been previously conditioned is reinforced? इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, secondary reinforcement. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. 28 से रचित तकसीम 1.3. इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, 22. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. The area of rectangle is now 27 meter square. If the width is 29 meter, find its length. इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, 32 मीटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. What is the average of 9 even numbers from 2 to 18? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर ए है 10. What is the solution of? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर बी है 32/3. A garden is 75 centimeter long and 82 centimeter wide. A 5 centimeter wide rod is made all around inside the garden. इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर ए है 1470 centimeter square. Question number 36. Which of the following sentence need an exclamation mark? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर ए है Watch out, there is a snake near the fireplace. Question number 37. Identify the word with the short vowel sound. इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर सी है shirt. 38. Identify the word beginning with the vowel sound. इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर सी है umbrella. 39. Choose the nearest possible meaning of the word martyrdom out of the following. इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर बी है the death of nation. Question number 40. We went to dash Lahore Museum. Choose the correct article. इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर डी है there is no article required. Question number 41. The earth revolves around the sun. Choose the correct indirect narration. इसका indirect narration ये universal truth है. सही ऑप्शन इसका सी है. The teacher said that the earth revolves around the sun. Question number 44. Fermentation occurs only under anaerobic condition. Which of the following is the key product of fermentation? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर बी है. It converts sugar into alcohol. 45. Which of the following is the property of matter? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर सी है conductivity. 46. Ability to harm into sheets is called malleability. Which one of the following metal is most malleable? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर ए gold. Gold is the most malleable in metals. 47. To multiply fraction use the correct process. Multiply के लिए multiply across directly. A is the correct option. 48. Skimmed milk is a type of milk used making some type of yogurt. Skimmed milk is the best described in which of the following? इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन नंबर बी low fat milk. 49. Comets are celestial bodies mostly made of frozen gases and dust stuck together with the ice and rock. Comets grow a new tail. इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर बी every time it gets close to the sun. 50. What is the balance chemical equation of the reaction the following reaction? इसमें balance chemical equation है हमारे पास ऑप्शन नंबर डी 2H2 plus O2 is equal to 2H2O. Question number 51. The synonym of grasp is इसका synonym ऑप्शन नंबर ए है clasp. Question number 52. Identify the denotative meaning of congested in the following option. इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर ए है extremely full or crowded. 53. What does the suffix mean indicates? इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर बी है a state of condition. 54. He recorded statement of various people. Identify the part of speech of the underlined word various. Various इसमें adjective है. Correct option is D. 55. Which phrase is not example of alliteration? इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर ए है the cat sat on the mat. Question number 56. Which line contains auditory imagery? इसका सही जो ऑप्शन नंबर बी है the leaves crunch under her feet. Is this man a worker? Choose the correct plural form of the sentence. इसका सही जवाब है C. Are these men workers? Question number 58. You don't have to do this exercise. Choose the correct model from the sentence. इसका सही जो ऑप्शन नंबर डी है you need not to do this exercise. 59. Identify sentence with the transitive verb. इसमें सही जो ऑप्शन नंबर ए है they took the keys. On which date was the UDHR officially presented to the world? इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन नंबर सी 10 December 1948. ICASAT. What material were the earliest kinds is subcontinent made of? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर बी है copper. Bahasa. What is the highest peak of Himalaya in Pakistan? Nanga Parbat. C. What major national movement did Maulana Mufti Mahmud join in 1947? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर ए है पाकिस्तान मूवमेंट. 69. Which principle of curriculum is reflected in Herbert Spencer idea of literature music? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर डी है principle of leisure. Question number 7. Curriculum development is the dynamic process that requires continuous research for its improvement. Which of the following are also essential for its betterment? इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर ए है periodic evaluation. Which branch of philosophy focuses on the essence and significance of value? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर सी है एक्सियोलॉजी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 72. ही इंजर्ड डैश while playing hockey. इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर सी है himself. He himself while playing hockey. If cos of theta is equal to 4 over 5 and theta lies in the 4 quadrant, then theta is equal to इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर डी है minus 3 over 5. Find the length of tangent down a circle of radius 6 cm from a point at the distance of 10 cm from the center of the circle. सही जवाब ऑप्शन नंबर ए है 8 सेंटीमीटर. 80. Who was the Prime Minister of India at the time of 1965 war? इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर सी है लाल बहादुर शास्त्री. 34. When did General Musharraf become the President of Pakistan? ऑप्शन नंबर सी March 23, 2000. 2000 की. In which international organization do Pakistan China often share the same stance? इसका सही जो ऑप्शन नंबर ए है OIC. 36. What is the considered essential for the country industrial development? इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर सी है raw material. Who was replaced by Lord Mountbatten as Viceroy of India? इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर सी है Lord Wavell. 96. A motorcycle can cover a distance of 62 km in 5 liter petrol. How many kilometer will be covered in 6 liter? इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर डी है 74.4 किलोमीटर. 97. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 2, 3 and 5? इसका सही ऑप्शन 8940. 98. What is the fourth common multiple of 8 and 24? इसका सही ऑप्शन नंबर सी है 96. 96. 99. What is the name of geometric shape that has one covered surface, no edges and no vertex? इसका सही जो ऑप्शन नंबर ए है sphere. Question number 100. Find the minimum length of the ribbon which can be completely cut into pieces of length 45 cm, 75 cm and 50 cm without any lift over. इसका सही जो ऑप्शन नंबर डी है 3825 cm.